Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to turn a simple product photo into a professional-looking product ad using free AI tools. To do this, I have first taken the photo of my product, a coffee mug. After this, I'll go to Microsoft Designer by visiting designer.microsoft.com. The first step is to remove the background from my product photo. I'll click Create, choose Remove Background, upload my image, and let it process automatically. You can also do this using Canva or any other free online tool. Once the background is removed, I'll crop, adjust, or rotate the image if needed, and then download it for final use. Next, I'll take the help of AI to generate a professional prompt that will turn this photo into a complete product ad. I'll also include my brand name in the prompt, and I'll share it with you so you can use it too. Now, under the Create with AI tab on Microsoft Designer, I'll choose Posters. Paste the prompt in the description box upload my image, and set the aspect ratio. Then I'll click Create and wait for Designer to generate results. It will give 4 different ad designs. You can use all of them or choose the ones you like. Before finalizing, I'll make small edits, like changing fonts, adjusting the layout, or resizing the product to make the ad look even better. After that, I'll simply download the final image, ready to use. This process is perfect for beginners who want to create stylish product ads quickly, without spending money or learning complex tools. For more advanced, highly professional product ads, tools like Adobe Illustrator, Canva, and Pencil AI can be used, and I'll make tutorials on them very soon. Please like, share, and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.